is on how you can make passive income with this company called Livegood. So I want to show you guys how you can earn money by just become a member, by just becoming an distributor for this company called Livegood. This company is a product network company, okay? Whether you refer or not, you are making money from this company, okay? And I want you to just stick around to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so that you can know on how you can make money with this company called Livegood. All right, before we go into the detail, all right, before we go into the, I want you guys to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, like, comment and share. Okay guys, let me just show you guys on how you can make passive income with this opportunity called Livegood. In this company, you don't need to talk to anybody before you make money. Yes, the answer is here. At least you can make up to $2,047 monthly without even talking to anybody, because this company are placing people under you globally without even selling anything or talking to anybody. Because, and I will show you the proof right now on this video. You guys just stick around to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video, okay? So let me just show you. And this company, before you can become a member of this, because this company are looking for distributor like me and you. So let me just show you something right now so you can see how you can make passive income with this company without even talking to any single body. So let me just click on view pay plan description. All right, and let me just show you right now. So can you see, as an affiliate, can you see this is affiliate compensation plan? So you see, in fact, you can earn up to $2,047 per month without, can you see, without ever enrolling a single person. This is amazing opportunity. The reason why is that you can make this money is that every single month every member must pay them $9.9 every single month to this company as a member. Even you and me, we must pay this money. That is why, and people are placing people under you directly. And you see, people are placing people under you directly. You understand? That is where we are. You must pay this money, and you must get this money without talking to anybody. And if you decide to share our amazing products and compensation plan with others, you can earn more. You can earn more. So this is you can earn in 6 ways in this company. Number one is weekly fast start commission. For each person you refer to Livegood who become a member as an affiliate for $49.9, we will reward you with $25 commission paid out every single week. So because before you can become a member of this company as a distributor, you must pay them $49.9. Okay, so because although the affiliate money is just $40, while the monthly subscription to as a member is 9.9 cents. Okay, so plus if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, not only will they be rewarded, so but you will also receive additional bonus commission up to 10 level deep. So maybe you refer Mr. A and Mr. B, and Mr. A refer Mr. B. Okay, let's say you refer Mr. A and Mr. A refer Mr. B, you will still get a lot of commission, but the first direct is 50% directly to your local bank or to your Bitcoin wallet address. So there are two options before you can become a distributor in this company. So you can pay for the monthly fee, monthly subscription, or you can pay for the whole year. The whole year is cost you just it costs you $140, just $140 for the year. So that year you don't need to pay any single money again until after 12 months. But if you don't pay for the yearly fee, you need to pay the company 9.9 cents. That is where the company is getting the commission. So that is called the commission. But matrix commission is that anybody that come globally under you, you'll be getting money. So when you lock your position in Livegood, you are giving your own business center in our fast filling 2 times 5 matrix. As more people join Livegood every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there. So that is why I say you don't need to talk to anybody. Whether you refer or not, you must make money every single month. But if you refer, you will make a lot of passive income. So because the reason where they are getting the money is that everyone in the system must pay them 9.9 cents every single month. So that is why you are seeing this money. So let's say when you are in, maybe you are not ranked, you don't talk to anybody, you don't rank anybody. So this is what you are going to earn each person: 2.5. So up to 12%. So like this up to 12 level. Okay, so and you can get up to $2,047 without talking to anybody, because the company is placing people under you globally directly without talking to any. But when you rank up, okay, let's say you become a bronze member, you can be getting up to $4,000 in a month. Yes, from this company. Apart from your, maybe you refer people, your direct bonus. So when you become a bronze, maybe you refer people and you are ranked up to bronze, you can be earning $4,000 every single month. When you rank up to silver, you can be getting $4,995. When you rank up to gold, you can be getting like $8,191. When you rank up to platinum, you can be getting like $8,191. Yeah. So but when you rank up to diamond, you can be getting $16,383. So all percentages are based on monthly 9.9 cent membership fee. The 9.9 is the membership fee where the company is getting those money they are paying members. So commission for membership who join at the end yearly, an option will be paid out 12 months as 9.9 per month. Okay, so matrix commission and matching bonus are paid monthly. So the first week of each month for the previous month, matrix volume, remember the first month membership is, so this is where the company is getting money they are paying, because everybody in the company must pay 9.9 cents every single month. So but if you don't want to be paying every single month, you can just start at once to pay them around $40, and you start getting a lot of money, whether you refer or because the company is placing people under you directly. Okay, so we have the matching bonus as well. So the matching bonus, can you see you make a lot of money, and you see on top of $2,047 or $16,383 that you can earn in your personal matrix, you also match 50% of the matrix commission on everyone you enroll, and your percentage everyone those people enroll. Can you see this is a 5 enrollment generator deep. So this is how you rank, you match. When you match, you earn 50%, 10%, like that. Okay, this is personal 50%. So silver, so like that. This is exact. If you have 10 personally enrolled people who are earning 6,000 per month in their matrix, you earn 50% of what they earn in their matrix. Wow, that means you earn $3,000 matching bonus on each of them every single. This is passive income. For total is 30,000. 10,000. Can you see? Is 30. This is $3,000. Can you see in commission? And just on those 10 people alone, and that is not include what you earn in your rank matrix plus potential 100 or 1,000 of people under people you could match in our generation. This is, guys, if you are playing with this company, wow, just kill yourself with just 50. You don't need to talk to anybody. $50 can make you a millionaire in this company by just starting. You know, you don't need to talk to anybody. If you want to talk, you are getting extra, because this company are placing people under you directly without even talking to anybody. So we have little commission, we have like that, we have influencer bonuses, we have diamond bonuses, we have, because it's a lot of things, guys, a lot, because I don't want you guys to just waste your time. With $50 you can make thousands of dollars. Thank you guys for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button. Try to click the link below to sign up right now. Start making. If you have any question, just try to inbox me on WhatsApp. Try to join my group chat, my WhatsApp group, my Telegram group, and try to message me and let's discuss about this. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Bye for now, guys.